Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 167-2 Input array is sorted. This is a medium difficulty Leetcode problem, and this is a successor to the question 2sum. So we're told that we're given a one-index array of integers in a list called numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order. So this is already slightly different from the original 2sum because in this problem, the numbers list is already sorted. And we need to find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. So this part of the question is the same. We need to find two numbers which add up to the target number. And we're told, however, that this numbers list is sorted in non-decreasing order. A non-decreasing order basically just means ascending order. So how do we solve this problem? Well, since we know that we have a sorted list in ascending order, means the big number is going to be at the beginning and the largest number is going to be at the end of the list, let's say. So the way we can solve this problem is by using 2 pointers. So this is a classic 2-pointer problem. We can have one pointer at either side of the list and converge these 2 pointers towards each other until we find our result. And we're told that there will definitely be a solution, so we're guaranteed a solution. So that's nice. So we can just keep converging our 2 pointers until the sum of the number at our left and right pointers equals to target. So let's get coding up, shall we? So the first thing we want to do is set our left pointer to 0. Our right pointer is going to be equal to the length of numbers minus 1. And we can say while left is less than right. Now we don't need to create another auxiliary variable to store our result in because we're guaranteed a result, so we can just return from our while loop. And we're going to say if the target is equal to numbers L plus numbers R, well then we can simply return L plus 1 and R plus 1. Why are we returning L plus 1 and R plus 1? Because we're told that we need to add by 1 our indices. So if our indices were 0 and 1, we would actually return 1 and 2. So one index based, not 0 index based. However, if our target is greater than numbers L plus numbers R, we want to increment our left pointer. Otherwise, we want to increment our right pointer. So, or decrement our right pointer, should I say. So R minus equals 1. In this case, the target is less than the number, so we want to decrement our bigger number or our bigger pointer. And we don't need to return anything from here because we're guaranteed a result, so this will always return every time. So let's actually go and check and submit our code, check everything works. And it does. We pass all 24 test cases for this solution. So what is the time complexity? Well, the time complexity is going to be O of n time complexity because it's just a single pass. Space complexity is going to be O of 1 space complexity because we only have the auxiliary variables to worry about. So that's our end result. So it's the same time and space as our, well, actually it's the same time at least as the original 2sum, but slightly more efficient and slightly different because the numbers are sorted. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.